Welcome to the energy of ELM. ELM sparks faith and ignites confidence. Hello, I am Floyd Grace, and my focus is energy. It is my privilege and sacred duty to share flower energy with you and the world. Flower energy is nature's healing gift for spiritual alignment and enlightenment. Their energetic vibration over time resets your energy body to its natural state of perfection. Flower frequencies heal and restore natural balance through energetic vibration by tuning the mental, emotional, and physical bodies to align with your perfect spiritual template. Every flower has an individual energetic construction that addresses a different imbalance in the energy field, just as every individual has a different set of imbalances. I have created each of the flower energy videos into two parts. First, to tell what each flower addresses, and second, to introduce a singular flower energy into the energy body and instruct the meditative mind on resetting its energy balance with that particular frequency. When using flower energy, listen to the same meditation with headphones for at least 3 to 5 consecutive days. Be aware of the effects it creates in your emotional and mental bodies as it releases the emotional traumas and reveals the negative patterning of your imbalances. Traumatic childhood programming can create blocks in your energetic channels that result in the imbalances you experience as fear, depression, anger, alienation, etc. To unblock your energetic circuitry and rebalance your energy body, you will need to stay with your flower until you intuitively feel the heal. Then begin the next flower and the next until you have cleared your energy body and fully inhabit your light body. If you want to know how flower frequencies work, watch the video, The Nuts and Bolts of Flower Energy. Just click the link below. ELM offers the gift of joyous service, faith, and the confidence to complete the tasks you set for yourself. Because its energy has power, it shifts your mindset from feeling inept to the acceptance that you are capable. Then you become competent. That's the energetic pattern ELM holds and emits. ELM sparks faith and ignites confidence to finish your tasks as a joyous service. ELM transforms overwhelm to personal power by accessing your reasonable ability to respond to your responsibilities, one step at a time. ELM connects you to and integrates you with your higher self and aptitude. ELM shifts your mindset from victim to victor. ELM opens that dark door of self-doubt and lets the light of surety shine through to enhance your courage as self-belief. The power of ELM supports your mental and emotional bodies. This is the frequency immersion portion of the video. Wearing headphones will make the frequencies more effective. The energy you're now listening to will begin the process of unblocking imbalances in your energy body. Be aware of your thought processes as your mental body and relax into your energetic transformation. Clear your mind and relax. Concentrate on the way you feel. Consciously release any anxiety that arises as you listen to these concepts and directives. When I see the world in my mind's eye, I know I am in control of my energetic, life-forming thought process. I can control my thoughts, and I can change the patterns of my thoughts. I have the personal power to believe whatever I choose to believe. I know I am capable of doing whatever I decide to do because I believe in myself. I believe in my mind. I believe in my personal power. I am responsible and capable of creating my life as I want it to be. My life force energy can and will manifest the life I desire. When I use my positive faith and confidence to follow my path, step by step, I reach my goals and accomplish my ideals because I absolutely believe in myself. Thank you for viewing this video. Please press the like button and then subscribe for more transformational flower energy videos. After liking and subscribing, please consider sharing this with friends and family members who might benefit from this video. As we transform ourselves, we transform this world. Together, we can make this such a wonderful place. Believe it or not, we have the power. This is an EDojo Spiritual Arts production. Thank you for watching.